Hi guys, what's up? You're watching Origami Time with Namai, and today I'll show you how to make this rotating heart postcard. And also this is my 100th video, so that's why also it's really special, and this is my very own creation as well. So let's get started. First we'll fold this paper in half, then unfold and then half again. Let's fold and make sure your creases are really precise. Let's bring these edges to the center crease just like that. Fold it, unfold, and then bring the other one to the center crease. Just make a nice crease and then unfold, and then just fold this in half like that, and then fold the upper part to this center crease, making a triangle like this. Let's unfold and again trace this square and make sure all these valleys become mountain, and just reinforce the mountains and just fold it. And after that we can just collapse it like so. Just bring these two together and bring these flaps in order to make this sort of shape. And in order to collapse it, you can just take any of these two edges and just make sure that your folds are just lining up against each other, and then just fold it. And after that you can just go ahead again, reinforce it. After that, bring this top edge below and make sure that you get a square in between like so, and turn over to just make the bottom part also in a similar way. Then just fold this like so and make this triangle pop out, and just fold this up and make a crease. And let's do the same for all of the four things, and then fold each triangle in half and just squash it like so, getting such a fold. And after that, let's do the same thing on all the sides, and after that we are done. And then fold it over and bring this triangle down, and after that we'll just fold it inside, and let's do the same thing on all the sides as well. And just like that, once we are done, this envelope or postcard is ready. And now we just have to make this heart that you can see from this video. Links will be provided in the description box below, so do check them out in order to make this popping heart. This actually does the trick, and then when you just pull on any two of these opposite flaps, the heart would pop out. And attaching it back on is again really simple, and then when you just extend it completely, the heart pops out. So I really hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.